All right, gang. We had a weird customer request. They wanted this dent fixed right here. Okay, this dent right here. We fixed it. Okay, but they did not want to pay to R&I the roof rack, or they didn't want to pay to paint the whole roof. So this is what we got going on. We're gonna do a short one by our sunroof. It's definitely not something I normally do, but we're gonna help this customer out. We're doing it super cheap for him because we do have an insurance job we're doing for him. So gotta do what you gotta do. But we're gonna show you guys how it's done. We'll do a little bit of smart repair. All right, everybody. First things first. Sorry if you can't hear me very well. Get everything clean, get everything tacked really well. We already did that. Right now, we're putting some sealer on. So the whole goal here is to keep everything away from this blend area and that blend area over there. All right, so what I did is I went ahead and I put some paper over where my blend area is. I didn't want to make a hard line, but I just want to make sure that nothing can get back behind there. So after you do that, guys, go ahead, put the sealer down. We're gonna go ahead and do that. And like I said, the whole idea is to keep everything away from your blend areas. So I'm only gonna come out here to like my color, and then we're gonna go ahead and blend this in. But we gotta get sealer on the rest of it. All right, everybody. So once you get that sealer on, okay, it's all flashed off. Make sure you tack on your edges of your sealer. Then you're ready to put your color down. Again, you're gonna kind of pyramid blend with this. So that's as far as I wanna go with my color, okay, on this side. Alright, got our last coat of color on. As you guys can see, we try to keep it back away from this blend area here, because this blend area is really important here. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and pull this off so we can do our final blend on here. Might have to do some reconfiguring here. Alright, so the biggest thing is keep your clear away from that edge until you're ready, and then get it about here, and then you can burn it in. So we're gonna go ahead and get our first coat of clear on here. Another tip, guys, don't bring both coats of clear out to the same spot. So you wanna bring your first coat here, your second coat just a little bit further in. And that's how it's done, everybody. We'll show you guys the final results, and show you after I buff it too. Okay, so you see I only brought my first coat of clear only about a little ways out. We're gonna bring our other one right out just another step, and then we're gonna burn them both in, guys, and then we'll be able to take some like 3,000 grit sandpaper, buff that thing right up, you'll never see it. This is a smart repair, everybody. This is definitely not the normal way how we do things around here, but this customer is actually it's a family friend, so we're just trying to do them a little bit of a favor, doing this super cheap, only a couple $100, just fixing a dent that they were worried about rusting. So let's go, everybody. All right, now that you got your clear laid down, do not wait. Here, you got some blending solvent. This is PPG's version. And all you're gonna do, you're gonna spray that stuff on the edge of your clear coat. Get it wet, but not too wet. Okay? Awesome, awesome. That one's blended in. We're gonna run over to the other side. Again, do not wait on this step, everybody. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna spray that blending additive, and we're gonna blend that clear right out, okay? Now we'll be able to hit that with some 3,000, buff it right back, and you'll never see it, guys. That's how that smart repair and stuff's done. We'll check it out after it's buffed. We got this side buffed out.